Hey, welcome back, Captain Eric again, and this is Site 5 of 5 in Abu Dhabi, the Abu Dhabi Boat Tour. And if you've been on the Abu Dhabi Boat Tour, please comment down there in the comments below. We'd love to hear what your experiences were. This is the map of our site today. We're going to head on to the coast. We're going to head west of where we were in the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, make sure you see it. At the end of the video, you should have a link to that video. You should have a link to the Yas Waterworld video. This is Site 5 of 5. It's the Abu Dhabi Boat Tour, and it's on the coast, and it's right here, directly due west of where we were at. The best way to see Abu Dhabi's beautiful cityscapes is from the water. Hop into a speedboat that will swiftly carry you down the coast to where the 5-star Emirates Palace is located. Past the Heritage Village, palm-dotted Corniche, the lavish Presidential Palace, and the chic Zayed Grand Mosque. Capture memorable photos as the boat slows down at each stop, and watch for dolphins as you sail around Lulu Island, an artificial islet of golden beaches. Learn about the city's history and architecture from your captain, and bask in the beauty of all that's around you. Hey, thanks for watching, and make sure you come out to whattravelsitetovisit.com for an interactive map and for tours. Tours relating to the Abu Dhabi Boat Tour and other great tours at Abu Dhabi. Thanks, and until we meet again in our next video, happy traveling.